Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Oppo has launched a neckband recently and is the Oppo Enco M32. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you if it's worth buying. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the Oppo Enco branding and the picture of the neckband. And here we can see the model name M32. At the back of the box we have some key features such as 10 minutes of charge will give you 20 hours of music playback, bass boost, dual device fast pairing, 28 hours of battery life, they are IP55 dust and water resistant, and you get the Bluetooth 5.0 support. The MRP on the box is 2,999, however, they are available to purchase right now for just Rs 1499. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the neckband itself, and guys, the packaging of this product is very good. We will look at the neckband in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get this mini box, and here we have the user manual, a Type-C charging cable, and 2 pairs of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the neckband closely. Oppo Enco M32 is a budget neckband, but looking at the design and build quality, it feels pretty good. I find the build quality of this neckband very good, and keeping in mind what you're paying, you're getting much better build quality. In terms of the design, the neckband has a solid band and it feels lightweight and comfortable around your neck. The battery capacity of the neckband is 220 mAh, which can last up to 28 hours, which is also decent. The cable from the neckband to the earbuds is also of good quality. I wish we had the flat cable design here. In terms of the overview, on the neckband we have the controls on the right side, and here we have the volume and the function button. And here on the top we have the Type-C charging port under this cover. On the left module we have nothing apart from the Oppo branding. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds with these ear hooks. But the thing which really disappoints me here is the design of the earbuds. So if you choose to remove the ear hooks, you can't wear the earbuds comfortably because of this design. So you need to keep the ear hooks whether you prefer them or not. Now in terms of the specification, you get a 10mm driver in these earbuds. And this neckband is IP55 water resistant. The earbuds are magnetic and the magnet strength is also very good. One more thing is that when you join the earbuds, it will pause the music or video and turn it off. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on and paired with our phone. And about the codec, we get the HD AAC codec support in this neckband. Now let me first show you the button controls. So the middle button in the module will pause and play music. And then you have the volume controls. If you long press the volume plus button, it will change the soundtrack, and long pressing the minus button will take you back to the previous song. Double pressing the middle button will call Google Assistant or Siri. Now let's talk about the main thing, which is the performance of this neckband. So guys, the first thing you will notice is that this neckband is very loud at 100% volume, and if you use the correct size ear tip, you will get very good passive noise cancellation, provided you are comfortable with the ear hooks, which in my case wasn't causing any issue. Talking more about the audio output, the bass is good, and as they have mentioned bass boost, yes, you do get the boomy bass in this neckband. And one more thing worth mentioning, even though you have the boomy bass, the vocals are still clear, and the instrument separation is also very good. Overall, if you prefer a boomy and punchy bass, then you will like the performance of this neckband. I have also used them to watch movies and videos on YouTube, and the dialogues were also very clear. And also, we didn't notice any latency in the audio. However, you will get the latency while gaming, which is around 300 to 400 milliseconds. This neckband also comes with a dual device pairing, and with this, you can switch between two devices by just pressing both the volume plus and the minus button. Now in terms of the battery backup is decent, and during our testing, we got approximately 20 plus hours of playback time at 70 to 80% volume, and the quick charge is also an advantage. Now talking about the mic performance, we have a single omnidirectional MEMC mic in this neckband, which performs very well, and we can definitely recommend this neckband for voice and video calls. So overall, the Oppo Enco M32 offers a good build quality and design. Though we didn't like the airhook style of this neckband, but performance wise, we think they perform very good for movies and music. If you like punchy bass output, you will love this neckband. Oppo Enco M32 only supports AAC codec, which sort of a downgrade from the Enco M31, which has the high-res audio support, that is the LDAC. Hence they are 500 rupees expensive than the M32. So in short, if you're in the market for a neckband under Rs 1500 for your daily usage, then we highly recommend you to check out the Oppo Enco M32 Neckband. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Oppo Enco M32 Neckband. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this neckband in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.